Baking a sculpture in multiple sessions. I do this to save my work. A lot of my sculptures I will bake in several sessions to save my progress. I do this so I don't ruin anything that I've already sculpted. Using this little monster as an example, I will bake his legs and body before I add his arms and head. Once he has cooled down, I can sculpt the rest of him and bake him again. Whenever you're adding unbaked clay to clay that is already baked, it's recommended that you use some oven-baked clay adhesive to help the clays bond to each other. If you are concerned about the unbaked clay staying in place, you can add a wire to your baked section and attach the unbaked clay on top of it. If you didn't plan this part ahead of time, you can use a small hand drill to make a hole for the wire. Be sure to clean up any excess clay adhesive so your completed sculpture doesn't look messy. I have found you can bake a sculpture as many times as needed. Just make sure you follow the baking instructions on the clay packaging for each baking session. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.